Print size. So there is a print size in your image. If you want to change the size, the physical size, you can change it using the canvas size. But in print size, what we're going to do is we can actually change the values of the width and the height, set the unit of measurement, or you can set the X and Y resolution in pixels per inch. And as you change the height, the width and the resolution changes as well. And quid pro quo the other way around. Now the print size command cannot change the number of pixels in the actual image. So increasing the physical size decreases the resolution, decreasing the physical size increases the resolution. So where is this really important? It's really important when we're printing stuff. So if we're printing to a large format, we want the maximum resolution we can get. So if we set that very, very small, 6x4 being our standard photo, 300 per inch, and just click OK, and now we've got our So with your display, if we go to 100%, you'll see what it looks like. We also want to make sure dot for dot is turned on. You are viewing an image at 100% and each image pixel matches a screen pixel. And now you see why I'm using my Mac, so that I can have an image that's 18 by 1200. So when you got this one at 100%, you can actually hold a ruler up and measure where things are. But if you want to have a look at the preferences, go to Edit menu and choose Preferences. And what we can do here is we can have a look at Interface and Display. We want to auto detect our monitor. So if it's detecting automatically, that's fine. If it's not working nicely, you may have to enter it manually or even run a calibration. There are some